Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Chunky from the CROODS. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to just draw a little line that's just going to curve up and then down. And then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up like this. It's going to be kind of rounded over here and more of a point on the end. Then I want to leave some space, and I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves up and down. And then I'm just going to go down and up. Then I'm going to add a little circle inside each one. And then I'm going to add a smaller circle at the top. And then I'm just going to color inside that circle. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go down at an angle, and then another one right here at an angle. Then he has a really big nose. So to draw the nose, all you're going to do is draw a curved line across. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down on each side. And then it's just going to go down and then connect. Right in the middle, we're going to make a small little line that goes down. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come way out here. And I'm going to do the same thing here. We're just going to go way out here. And when I curve this up, I'm going to curve it up to here, but I'm going to add a few little points into it so it looks like it's kind of furry. So here, and then I'll do the same thing. Now, there's going to be two big kind of like fangs or tusks coming out of here. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to curve up. And then another one here. It's going to go down, and then it's going to curve up to here. But there's also going to be two smaller fangs coming down. So there's going to be one that goes down and up, and another one that goes down and up. And right in between here, I want to add the chin. And I'm going to do the same thing I did over here. I'm going to add a few little kind of points into it, and then just curve it up to here. Now, starting up here by the eyes, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and down. And then another one's going to do the same thing over here. And I'm just going to curve this back towards the end of the eye. Now, I want to make two big curved lines. They're going to kind of start right here towards the bottom of the cheeks, and they're going to come right to the eyes. And I'm going to make them look a little bit furry. So we're just going to go out and then curve up to here. Then same thing here. We're going to go out and then curve up to there. Then starting here, we're just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up. It's going to come over and then down to here. Now for the ears, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve out. It's going to come to a little rounded point and then down. Then we're going to do the same thing here. Just go up, come to a little rounded point and then down. I'm going to add a little line that curves at the bottom of each one. And another little line that just goes up and down. Then I'm just going to add a little line that goes down and up right here. And I'm going to add kind of like spiky little mohawk right inside of here for it. And then right here, I'm going to add an extra little line that goes down on each side for the ears. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little zigzag line down for part of the body. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that goes down and then straight down. I'm going to make a big curved line for one toe. Now I'm going to make another big curved line for another one. I'm going to kind of make another one of those oval shapes right here. And we're going to put one more right here for the toe. Now I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then over. Right here, just going to make a line that goes down. A little line that's going to curve up. It's going to come down and back. One a little bit taller here. Another big one. And then one small one there. Then I'm going to curve up. I'm going to go up and then in. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. And his head is really big compared to his body, so his body isn't too big. I'm going to add a little zigzag line. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves to here. It's going to go down just a little bit. I'll draw another big toe, very similar to how I did this foot. One here, and we'll just leave it at 3. Then I'll make a line that goes over. It's going to come up and over here and then curve to here, and I'm going to leave just a little bit of space. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to curve up. Put a few little points at the end of it to make it look furry, and then just curve it right back to here. Now, there's going to be some different little like stripes and different things on here, and we can kind of add some of those in. And one of the first things is there's going to be some different little stripes up here on the side of the face. So I'm just going to kind of add some little dots in here for just these little stripes all over. Just kind of put them all over there. There's going to be a little line that kind of goes right around here, and that's going to just kind of curve down, kind of like what tigers have around their eyes. Going to be a little bit of like a dark line right around the eyes up here. I'm going to add an extra little line kind of right down here by the ears. And then there's going to be a few little stripes that just come right around the top of the face here. And then the rest of the stripes we're just going to add in here when we add the colors. But one of the things I will add are a few little long whiskers. And there you go. There is your drawing of Chunky from the CROODS movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.